Hi everyone, this week my topic is how to create a parameter query. So a parameter query is pretty cool. It allows you to create a query that can be updated easily to reflect a new search term. So when you open up a parameter query, Access will prompt you for a search term and then show you query results that reflect your search. So I'll start out, first off I'm in the Garden Shop 3 parameter database. So we're going to take a look at the customers one table here. You can see this information that's in here. So to create a parameter query, we're going to go into Designer View or Design View. Okay, and I'm going to do a parameter query on the last name of the customers. So whatever column it is, you go in the criteria row, and then what you're going to do is put a bracket here, and I'm going to put enter last name and another bracket, another square bracket. So then I'm going to take the contents of my brackets only and copy those. So Control C, and then I'm going to go over here, hit parameters, and I'm going to hit Control V, paste. Make sure the brackets aren't in there too. And then I want to make sure it's short text, which it is. It defaulted to that. But my underlying table here, that is the data type. So you got to make sure your parameter is the same. So now I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and run this. Okay, and let's hit Anderson here and see what happens. Oh, and look, last name Anderson, it pulled back a record. Okay, cool. So now we're going to go back into Design View, and we are going to see if we can get it a little more ambiguous. So it's just so you have to hit Anderson, you can hit something else. Okay, so like, we're going to keep the brackets there, and then after we're going to go and hit the and then in quotes we're going to put the wildcard symbol. Okay, so now I'm going to run this again, and let's just put an A in there, see what happens. Oh, and now this time it brings back not just Anderson's, bring back a couple of them. So anyways, that's pretty cool. I'm not going to save the changes. I'm just going to close this for now. There we go. So the next query I'm going to show you, well, it's a parameter query. I'm going to show you how to create one that is a date related query. So for that one, I'm going to go into the orders one query. Open that up. You can see kind of the information that's in here. So once again, we're going to go into Design View, go Design View, and under the date ordered, I'm going to go in the criteria, and I'm going to do a square bracket again. I'm going to do date ordered, put another square bracket. Okay, so once again, we're going to go, hey, Control C for copy, only the contents, not the brackets themselves. And then we're going to go up here into parameters, Control V, paste, and then data type is going to be, of course, date with time. So now we're going to run this, and date ordered, let's see what the book used here. It used 321 of 16, so 321/2016, and hit OK. Oh, and it brings back one record. But the problem with that query is it has to be exactly on that date. How many times do you know the exact date? I mean, you might, but there's a good chance you wouldn't. So let's try a variation of this. So I want to know any orders that were placed, say, after a certain date. So for after, we'll go greater than, or how about greater than or equal? Like anything ordered on 321 of 16 or later. So I'm going to go here. Now I'm going to run this again. Let's put in the 321 again, see what happens this time. And OK. Oops, I did something wrong. Something didn't work there. That was not... Okay, date ordered. So just save this first. Now run it. There we go. I don't know what I did wrong, but so now everything that was ordered on 321 or of 16 or after is showing up, all those records. So anyways, that is how you create a parameter query. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great night.